Okay, you want to get free HDTV? No problem. First thing, you need to go to your computer and go to tvfool.com. So I'm on the site right now. So check your address for free TV. Click on this. Blah blah blah. Check your okay. Click here. Now you will have to put your address or whatever area, postal code, zip code. So now it's processing. There you go. Based to my location, you can see the green one. I can get them with an indoor antenna. As you can see here, yellow one, an attic mounted antenna is probably needed, and the red one, a roof mounted antenna is probably needed to pick those. So mine are already installed. It's a twin channel master 4228 HD vertically stacked, pointing at the same direction, and I'm picking all of these channel except one. It's ABC. It's impossible for me to get it. Their tower is not very strong, so the signal is very weak. It's impossible for me to get it. And with the report, you can see where the TV tower are located, so you can you know where they are located, so you're gonna aim your antenna towards these emitting TV tower. In the report you can see the azimuth. So you have the degree, you have the true azimuth and the magnetic azimuth. So for me, I'm gonna go like southeast. It's in between 171. Yeah, it's between 171 and 154 or something like that. So now that you can see what kind of channel you can get, you take your decision. You're going to buy an antenna, or you're still going to pay for cable or dish or whatever pay TV service. For me, I'm a cord cutter, and I'm pretty happy with the over-the-air TV. So if you like pay content, well, maybe HDTV over-the-air is not for you. So after you make your decision, buy an antenna. And so for me, it's in the attic. Let's go see my setup. This is my setup for over-the-air TV listening. My setup is a 2-channel master 4228 HD stacked up vertically. Tried with one at first, but I thought it was a bit better to give it a try with two, and I confirmed that I can have more channel with two than one pointing at the same direction. What I did at the top, I'm going to show you. It's a piece of 2x4 that I made a hole in it, so the mast just going through the hole. The mast is just electric piping that was going to scrapyard that I caught on a job site, construction job site. The base, as you can see here, screwed 2-piece 2x4, made a hole and put a piece of plywood under it, so that way I can easily tilt the antenna and adjust it. These are connected. By the way, as you can see, I'm in the attic. Let me show you the combiner. The combiner is a Channel Plus. Hope you can see this. So what's important is having the 2 wires going to the combiners. They have to be same type, same length. In my case, using RG6, 3 feet long, going to the combiner, and the other wire is going to feed 2 TVs inside. So this is the setup, and as you can see, when I did find the sweet spot, I marked it here, so if anything happens, it moves, I'll just come up here and put that back in that sweet spot. Okay, let's go see what I can cut here. I'm in North Shore of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. So let's do the TV scan. Okay, so now let's do the scan. Auto program. Okay, 31 channel. I repeat, here I'm located in Terrebonne, Quebec, Canada. So it's North Shore of Montreal. Okay, now we're going to go into the section show and I channel. I'm going to show you all the channel I'm catching. Okay, 2 is the Radio Canada. WCAX is an American channel, so there's 3 of those. WPTZ, American channel again. 6.1 is CBC. It's Radio Canada English channel. 7.1, it's a duplicate channel. It's TVA, but this one I'm gonna hide it since I have it on channel 10, and it's way better because this one is the signal is a bit more weak. So 9 is another duplicate from Radio Canada. I'm gonna hide it, this one too, because I already have the channel 2. So channel 10 TVA. Channel 12, this is CTV, no problem there. This is Global 15. Okay, I have, I don't know why they show me 2 like this one. I'm gonna hide one. Going to check the other one, should work. This one should work, yep. Let's go to 24, should be another duplicate channel. Let's see. Yeah, it's a duplicate, but not coming in very good, but I'm gonna hide it since I know I already have it. So 3 channel that I've hidden. 29, Canal Savoir. 30.1. I think this is a duplicate too. He found the channel, but there's nothing showing up, so I'm gonna hide it. 31.1. That just changed, it was 5.2 before. Okay, PBS. 3 American channel right there. 35 is VTL. Okay, Fox. With only 1 channel master, I was not able to watch Fox. But with 2 stacked channel master, now I can watch Fox. No problem. As you can see, that wasn't possible with only 1 channel master, I repeat, and now I can with my stacked twin channel master. Okay, 47, that's regional TV, it's an ethnic TV. Don't know how you call it, but okay, some more channel from PBS. 3 more channel. And that should be City. Okay, it's a bit weird, but usually it comes in no problem. We'll have to tune a bit the antenna, 1 degree maybe. So that's it. So if you like what you saw, give a thumbs up, leave a comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.